Welcome to Food from My Kitchen,
Soup Sunday edition.
In today's episode of Keto Cooking, we will be making a delicious, creamy and uniquely coloured red cabbage soup.
To get the lowdown on how we do it, keep watching this video for step-by-step instructions. Here are the main ingredients you'll need.
Red cabbage, celeriac, leek, onion, garlic, 2 vegetable stock cubes, 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Let's get started. To begin, cut your red cabbage in half and save the half you don't need for another recipe. Now roughly slice into strips. No need to be neat, as it'll all be blended later. Now get your celeriac. I actually have a half celeriac portion, which I will cut in half. So to clarify, for this recipe you will need about 1/4 of a medium-sized celeriac. Then grab your vegetable peeler, take your time, and thoroughly peel away all of the celeriac skin. Then chop into chunks. Next we will prepare our leek. Cut the end off and then slice the leek lengthways down the centre. The inside of a leek can have quite a bit of dirt trapped between the layers, so be sure to give it a good rinse before you chop it. Once washed, slice into slivers. Then grab your onion, remove the skin, and chop into chunks. We will also use about 6 cloves of garlic for this recipe. Roughly chop into pieces. Next, put a large pot on a medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and allow to come up to temperature. Once the oil is hot, add the leek and the chopped onion and stir through. Sweat the onion and the leek in the pot for a few minutes until soft. Then add the chopped garlic. The garlic only needs to soften for about a minute or so before adding in the vegetable stock cubes. Then mix thoroughly to break them completely down. Next, throw in your chunks of celeriac, the red cabbage, and 400 milliliters of water to help you mix everything together. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, add about another 800 milliliters of water, or enough water so that the water line almost reaches level in the pot with all of the chopped ingredients. Give it one last mix through if need be, and then leave to cook on the stove for about 25 minutes. This will be plenty of time for the cabbage and the celeriac to cook right the way through and completely soften. Once the mixture has finished cooking, leave to completely cool for approximately 4 hours before blending. This step is absolutely crucial
as it is dangerous to put hot liquids into a blender that is not designed for them. So once again, please don't blend until it has completely cooled. If it is cool enough to dip your fingers in without burning them, you can proceed to the next step. Once cooled, empty the contents of your pot into another large container, as we will need the pot again shortly. Then in batches, put the red cabbage mixture into your blender. Then blend until smooth. Empty back into your large pot. Then keep blending batches and empty into the pot until you have blended all of the mixture. Now put your pot of soup on a medium heat to let it slowly warm through. Season to individual taste with salt and black pepper and mix to combine. Now add your glass of coconut milk for extra creaminess and stir it through until any lumps disappear. The pot only needs to stay on the heat for about 6 minutes until it is hot, then you are ready to serve. And there you have it. You've made an exquisite red cabbage soup. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for your presence. Be sure to check out another episode of Keto Cooking, and if you want to be notified of the next video upload, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Also, here on this channel, Food from My Kitchen, this is a community, so feel free to comment below if you have made this recipe. And do tell if you've done any of it differently. I'd love to hear your suggestions, so keep them coming.